Splendid idea. How about Candy Counter Girl? And you love getting a loan from the bank, he said hopefully.
No, he insisted.
Wait, Liverpool hostie. Irene, the concierge, is from the laryngitis. Maybe Big Rose can deliver her. Esteban, that's ridiculous. Spencer would never take that job.
Yeah, Spencer, what?
But that job requires a thorough knowledge of the city and the restaurants and attractions needed.
I need reservations for 10 people for 8 tonight at Luigi's Restaurant.
Oh, I'm so sorry, but Luigi's restaurant is booked up with
Adios, Satier.
Grazie bene.
Salsa?
Well, thank you. Wonderful concierge. You're very lucky to have